Welcome to Housekeeping Master. Today we are taking a deep dive into the Fdit electric cooking pot. If you are someone who loves to cook but struggles with limited kitchen space, or perhaps you are looking for a reliable companion for your next camping trip, this appliance claims to do it all. Let us break down whether this compact cooker deserves a spot on your countertop. First, let us talk about the design and build. This unit features a 3.5-liter capacity, which is surprisingly generous for an appliance of this size. It utilizes a 3-layer construction that is designed to be anti-scald and resistant to high temperatures, ensuring that the exterior remains safe to touch while you are busy preparing your meal. The aesthetic is clean and modern, and it is operated by a simple, intuitive knob on the base. One of the standout features here is the ceramic glaze interior. If you have ever struggled with scrubbing burnt food off a stainless steel pot, you will appreciate this addition. The ceramic coating is genuinely effective at preventing sticking, which makes the cleanup process significantly faster. You can usually just wipe it clean with water, which is a huge plus for anyone who hates doing dishes after a long day. When it comes to performance, the Fdit pot offers 3 distinct temperature modes. This versatility is key because it allows you to adapt to different cooking styles. Whether you are boiling water for pasta, steaming vegetables, frying an egg, or slow cooking a hearty stew, this device provides enough control to handle the task. With 1000 watts of power, it heats up quite efficiently, making it a reliable workhorse for small apartments or dorm rooms. Now, let us get into the pros and cons to keep things balanced. On the positive side, the multifunctionality is a major win. Having one device that can replace a frying pan, a steamer, and a stew pot is a great way to declutter your kitchen. The ceramic nonstick surface is excellent and performs exactly as promised. It is also lightweight at roughly 1.3 kilograms, meaning you can easily pack it up and take it with you if you are heading to a campsite with access to electricity. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. While the 3 temperature modes are helpful, they are not as precise as a high-end induction cooktop. You have to monitor your food as it cooks, especially when you are using the high heat setting to prevent scorching. Also, keep in mind the 220-volt power requirement, so ensure your power outlet matches the specifications before you plug it in. In conclusion, the Fdit electric cooking pot is an impressive piece of kit for anyone needing a flexible, space-saving cooking solution. It is well built, incredibly easy to clean, and handles a wide variety of cooking techniques with ease. It is perfect for students, campers, or anyone living in a studio apartment. If you are tired of bulky appliances and want something that gets the job done without any fuss, this is a solid investment. Link in the description.